Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you crop a video into circle in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to do this just go to your Premiere Pro, and after selecting a video footage, here you can see, just click on this effects and just select the effect. But if you don't have the effects, you need to just select it from window. So click on window and just click on these two options, effect controls and effects. Now from here just search for crop, and after searching for crop, here you can see the crop is here. So long press from your mouse click, left click and drag it and drop it here, and the crop transition is here. Now you need to just click on this circle crop. You can just make it where you need to put it. You can make this bigger or smaller as you like. You can track it by clicking here, tracking, and click on it here. Make it bigger or smaller as you like. Now just click on invert it and just click on here and drag your mouse to right and see the video. And that's how you can crop circle in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.